how to convert YouTube video or any other Mp4 format video into Mp3. After following this short video, you will be able to convert Mp4 video to Mp3 easily. Just don't skip any part, otherwise it won't work for you. First, log into your YouTube account and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. From the left-hand side menu, click on Content. To download any of your YouTube video to Mp4 format, just click on these three dots and then click on Download. You can see the video has started downloading. Once you have the video you want to convert to Mp3, let's move on to the next step. Open any browser on your computer and search for VLC in the Google search bar. This is a completely free software that we will use to convert video from Mp4 to Mp3. Now open the first website. Click on the small drop-down arrow in front of the download button. From here, select your device or Windows version for which you want to download VLC Media Player. The VLC Media Player will start downloading automatically. But if it doesn't, click on Click Here. When the VLC installer file is downloaded, double-click on the installer file to install it on your computer. Once installed, open the VLC Media Player. Now click on Media on the top left corner. From the menu, select Convert/Save. Click on Add button and locate the file you want to convert to Mp3. Click on Open. Click on Convert/Save button. Now click on this little drop-down icon and select Audio Mp3 from the list. Click on Browse and set the destination location where you want to save your converted Mp3 file from Mp4. Enter the file name and click on Save. Now click on Start. Once done, close this page. As you can see, we have successfully converted an Mp4 file to Mp3. That's it for this video. I hope it helped. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.